Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Kia Forte key battery. Start with the necessary tools. You will need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery. Having these items ready makes the replacement process smooth and quick. This entire task should take you less than 5 minutes, so let's get started right away. Now let's open the key fob. Look for a small notch, usually on the side or bottom edge of the fob. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this notch. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob should separate easily. Be careful not to apply too much force to avoid damaging the casing. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Carefully remove it, paying attention to which side is facing up. This is usually the positive side. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it with the positive side facing up, just like the old one. Make sure it's snug in its spot. Almost done. Carefully align the two halves of your Kia Forte key fob. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Give your key fob a quick test to confirm it's working perfectly. You've successfully replaced your key battery in just a few simple steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.